The VIP plan is, we have a selection process in the VIP plan. We don't necessarily just have it's not like the Ultimate Pro where anyone can buy it from the internet. Ultimate Pro are designed to be inclusive for everyone. The VIP plan is designed to be exclusive because there's no way we can take the whole world and still keep up the quality of the program. And also, a lot of people, to be fair, are not ready for the VIP plan because they maybe, you can choose a lower tier plan, build your profile up a little bit, and then become ready for the VIP plan. So we've sent most of the people away from the VIP plan, and just there are few profiles that are like interesting to us that we take up and work. So, and that evaluation happens like way before any payment or anything. So it's not like we take money and then say we can't cater.
It takes a lot of effort to make these videos and bring it to you to help you out in your immigration journey. So please like, share, and subscribe to this channel, and click the bell icon so anytime I publish a video about the EB1A, you get notified and you are well prepared for that journey. Am I eligible for the EB1A as is right now? How do I find out? And hey, I'm interested in the Smart Green Card program, but you have a couple different options. What do I choose? When do I need to start? Why do I need to get to the EB1A? How will the Smart Green Card program even help me? Find answers to all of these questions by grabbing time with me as part of the Decider plan. We've launched a whole new plan where you can literally find answers to all these questions that you have by joining a call with me, either on a group call or a one-on-one. So go to smartgreencard.com and find the Decider plan today.